Hey, I have a pro tip for you. Yes? Sit up straight. You will be more presentable. Okay, I can work on that. Anyway, yeah, what was I saying? Colored pencils and gray paper. Yeah. You know what else you can do better? I guess not. Go ahead. Be more articulate. You slur the words and sometimes I cannot understand them. Can you pronounce the words better? Like less with an American accent? Is that what you mean? Yes, that and just, you know, better. Okay, yeah, sure, I can work with that too. So, as I was saying, we are going to draw with colored pencils and... I just thought of something else. Okay. What is it this time? You should wear different shirts. Different shirts? Yes, like green or yellow or red. It gives you variety. Aren't you wearing the same shirt every time as well? Yes, but I am French. And I'm American, so what? Then why aren't you wearing a shirt with red and white stripes and stars? I guess because blue is fine. Don't you think it's fine? No, it should be a different color every time. Okay, I'll think about it. Thanks for the tip. I won't charge you any money. They are all bonus tips. Okay, yeah, great. So we are going to draw on gray paper with colored pencils and one more thing. Now what? It would be better if you brushed your teeth more. They aren't white, they are more like yellow. Ugh. Okay, now you're going too far. I am not going to brush my teeth. They're fine. I brush them every day. It's fine. Sure, don't listen to some honest feedback. Honest feedback? What the? I have one more tip for you too. Okay, let's hear it. Let's hear it. You should be less defensive about getting advice from professionals. Like from me, you should be open to improvement and progress. Okay, I don't want to hear any other tips. Okay, can I move on now? Hey, Vincent from the United States of America. Yeah, what is it this time? Tell me. Your fly is down. Huh? No, it's not. Got you. That was a good one. That's not funny. Oh well, at least they get along for once.